if your users are not using your CRM solutions properly, then this story is for you, because you will understand one single simple step can help you to improve your adoption drastically. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you a story of my client, and that is a story of CRM adoption. So there was a client in Bangalore. Few years back, we implemented CRM for that company, that client, and it was a very great learning experience for me as well. So I'll tell you what happened. When initially I was implementing CRM for that company, I met the director multiple times. He runs a very prominent business in Bangalore. If I tell you the company name, everybody whosoever is watching this video, you will recognize that company name. You may not know the owner though. Anyway, so he said, Sabya, I'm not very educated. I'm just, 10th pass. So I don't know how to use CRM. I'm not sure, if I can drive adoption in my organization or not. And I thought maybe whatever he's saying true, So I said, don't worry, sir, I'm there. I'll help you. So implementation was over, data migration was over, testing was over, user training was over. Then one fine day, we decided that today onwards, user will start using the application. So as usual, there was a go live. Fortunately, I was there in his office for go live because I was helping the users, giving training, whatever small issues they were facing, I was helping them. It was around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening. He told me, Sabya, today we got these many orders, but your CRM is not showing me the correct report. I said, why? He's saying, no, as per my CRM, I got X amount of order, but in actual, I know today I got X plus Y amount of order. Your CRM is not giving me the right response, right report. So then I said, sir, sorry, it's not a CRM issue. Issue is your users have not entered the data properly in CRM. And he was surprised. Why they're not entering the data? So imagine today only they gone live, and after a couple of hours he was checking the reports, and I said, sir, I can't tell you, you can call the managers and you can ask them. So he immediately called all the users. Bhai, kya ho raha hai? What's going on? What's happening? Like, we got the orders, my CRM is not showing those orders. What is the reason? Then the manager and user said, no sir, we have not entered those orders in my CRM software. He said, why? Why you have not entered? Is there any issue with the software? You don't know how to enter it? Is it difficult to enter? What is the reason that they're saying, no sir, it's not like that. We have entered a couple of orders. We can enter all the order also in the system. I'm sorry, we have not done that. And he said, I do not need sorry. I need data, I need report in my CRM software. And guys, you won't believe, immediately people went back, they punched all the order, and that 10th pass MD, trust me guys, he was the most matured user, the most matured man I have ever seen in my career. He drive the adoption like this. Immediately from the same day onwards, people started using the software. He was 24/7. He had a laptop, like a desktop. He had a screen. He used to check all the time. Okay, today how many report dashboard inquiries? Okay, how many quotation has been sent? Okay, how many quotation not sent yet? Okay, today how many orders I have received? How many payments I have not received? How many payment is overdue? Throughout the day, his system is open, all numbers are open. The way, people look at the Sensex, they look at the, Nifty, they look at the share market. Exactly the same way his reports and dashboard was open in front of him, and he was checking it live all the day, every day. and people were using it. So guys, this is the process. Learn from that 10th pass MD. Learn from him. Many times when we implement CRM software for many of my clients, they say, oh, I know what is CRM. I have used CRM for many years. When CRM not invented, that is the time when I implemented CRM for that particular company. So we hear a lot of big stories, but whenever we hear these kind of big stories, we know for sure he is not going to use it, right? But anyway, guys, if you want to drive adoption in your organization, please start checking the reports and dashboards. That is the only way. And as I told you in my other videos, there are few more other important factors. And if you want to know about that, please keep watching my videos. I'm going to share my knowledge in my upcoming videos. Thank you.